I will be going to Aix-les-Bains, which is a city on a lake in France. I will be doing a lot of stops in between because it's a long drive to the city. I parked my car right up there because somewhere deep here in the forest I almost fell down. I was saying somewhere deep in this forest is a beautiful bridge. Let's go check it out if I survive. And here it is, one of the most beautiful bridges over the river Rhone. I like how the color of the bridge matches the color of the water. It's really beautiful. The most difficult part is getting the drone down because there's a lot of wind and the space here is very narrow. Let's see if I can do this. Made it safely. This bridge is more than 400 years old. Anyways, let's continue our adventure. C'est quoi nom, la ville?
Ville, Bellegarde,
Bellegarde.
sul Valserone.
Il y a quelque chose ici pour Rigaud? Something to see in this city. Yeah. Nothing. C'est quoi ici pour Rigaud, pour vidéo, pour... il n'y a pas. You don't see this in India, cars stopping for you and allowing you to cross. Let's go and check out this church. India, c'est beaucoup la église, c'est plein.
Ah,
C'est parce que ici, j'ai vu, c'est n'a pas beaucoup les gens.
oui.
Il y a quelque chose pour view, regarde, dans la ville? No. Every person that I met here in this city has told me that there's nothing much here. So I guess it's better I continue my journey. Let's go. After the experience today, I was thinking why the churches in countries like India or Sri Lanka are full, while the churches here in the Western countries are almost empty. One of the reasons may be because in poorer countries, people get less help from the government in terms of job security. And in many places in these poorer countries, people even struggle to get food on the table. So as a source of comfort, people in these countries tend to be more religious. However, in the Western countries, especially the richer parts, people have a lot of social security, including job security and several other benefits. So to be honest, they don't need any sort of comfort, hence making them less religious. Bonjour. C'est château ici?
Oui.
C'est comment je vais?
Là, il y a un chemin. Là,
Ah, like that.
Un petit coup la route.
Ah, okay. I've made a stop at this place where people climb the mountain up there. Let's go and check out how to climb the mountains. Okay, so this is the start then.
Yeah.
So you just put the
Two. Always two.
two. Okay.
Yeah.
I would never be able to do this because I'm a bit afraid of heights. While they go up and climb the mountains, I'm gonna go and check out this fort. It's a safer option. Let's go. This fort was constructed to prevent Protestants from escaping France. They wanted to escape France because there was a law that came into effect making it illegal to practice this religion. They were tortured here in France. I am in this beautiful town of Aix-les-Bains in France. This town is built on a huge lake, so I'm going to find a beach on this lake to chill and relax. Il y a un autre plage ici.
Ouais.
Ok.
Là-bas. Ah oui. Ouais.
Okay.
You walk.
Okay.
Ouais.
So the nice ladies there told me there's another beach just ahead, so I'm gonna go and find it. Si je veux acheter,
Ah bah, il faut...
c'est combien pour pour
Un bateau comme ça
70,000.
je n'ai pas acheté. Possible, oui. C'est gros, hein?
Moule.
Moule? Ah, shells.
Baby.
Wow. Vous pouvez manger?
Non.
Okay.
Pas celle-là.
There's a nice rainbow that is formed here because of the water. Okay, he's gonna make a rainbow now.
Ouais, là, c'est ouais, comment
Ah, cool. Yeah, it's what's there here?
Frogs.
Frogs.
Yes, frogs on the water lilies. I don't
So
know.
that's what you're taking photographs of, the frogs.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
They are on the surface of the water lilies.
Yeah, you got a good picture of the frogs. You must be getting better pictures, right? With that camera. Peux je regarde la photo? Vous êtes professional?
No.
Ah, okay. For personal. Ah, wow, look at this. That is nice. You should be a professional. I'd heard there's a beach here, but I can't find the beach. Do you know?
Ah, la plage?
Plage?
Ouais, bah, la plage, c'est plus là-bas. Hein.
Ah,
Il y a plus rien.
looks like I was pranked by the ladies. I have been walking for the last 1 hour in search of a beach, but I couldn't find any. So I'm going to go back to the first beach and let's see if I can meet the ladies. Il n'a pas un autre plage ici.
Autrement, par là-bas.
Okay, okay. Okay. So now they have told me to go the other way. I think I shouldn't be trusting them at this point. But anyways, let's go.
Ah, merci.
Pierre?
Bien.
Oui, merci. Let's celebrate my failure of not finding the beach. It's nice chairs, huh?
Yes.
It's better than sitting on the stones.
Beautiful landscape.
Beautiful landscape here.
Yeah, landscape.
And some beer. And I don't know why, but it just started landing in the water and now it's right inside the water and I got a net to take it off. Let's see if I can do this. I got a net.
Okay.
But I hope I reach it because it's a bit far away. Deep?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, it's show. It's hot.
It's hot too. Ah, cool. No? Ah. Oh,
Le bois, ça.
okay. We see, we...
On va attendre ça. S'il passe dessous,
Ok.
après, fini après.
Ah.
Finish.
This kind man is helping me to get the drone. It's very nice of him. The only thing is when we try to bring the drone in the front, the mud that is down comes up and we can't see the drone again.
Ah, il est où?
Ah,
Ah, where is he?
it's a bit
Shall we-
difficult with the...
Ah, it's...
J'ai autant, nous autant pour la... Oh, cool. Man, you're... Wow, that's amazing.
L'habitude. Yes.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you very
It's,
much.
okay.
I can give you,
Really?
I can give you some money.
No. No.
Huh?
No. It's a service. Service. If I take money, it's not a service.
Un beer?
No.
Huh? But it's nice, really kind. Very less people like you. Thank you very much. I'm very, very lucky to get my drone back thanks to this guy. I offered him some money, but he was not ready to accept anything.
Alors, quoi?
Oui, quelque chose pour, you know, pour mettre la riz dans ces boîtes.
Une boîte?
Oui.
Ainsi.
Ah, parfait.
Voilà.
Merci beaucoup. I'm eager as much as you are to know if my drone is going to fly again. I was very lucky that the SD card that was in the drone was not corrupted, or I would have lost every single drone footage in this video.